In this video, we will explore the fundamental differences between plant and animal cells. Grasping these distinctions is essential, as they provide a foundation for understanding more complex biological processes. Cells can be categorized into two main types: eukaryotic and prokaryotic. Our focus here will be on eukaryotic cells, which encompass both plant and animal cells. Eukaryotic cells are complex structures characterized by the presence of a true nucleus, where the genetic material, DNA, is housed. This defining feature distinguishes them from prokaryotic cells, which do not have a nucleus. Now that we have established that plant and animal cells are eukaryotic, we can explore the differences between them. To understand cell structure, we need to examine the various components that make up the cell, known as subcellular structures or organelles. First, both plant and animal cells are enclosed by a cell membrane, which regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Both cells contain a gel-like substance called cytoplasm, which houses all the other subcellular structures and serves as the site for chemical reactions within the cell. Both cells contain numerous mitochondria, which generate the energy needed for the cell to function. They break down sugars like glucose and convert them into energy, powering the cell's activities. Lastly, both cells contain numerous ribosomes where protein synthesis takes place. In this complex process, the cell uses its DNA to produce proteins through two steps: transcription and translation. These proteins are vital for a wide range of functions within the body and plants. We've covered the similarities between animal and plant cells. Let's revisit these shared features with the help of this diagram. Now, let's focus on some of the additional structures that are unique to plant cells. First, plant cells have a rigid cell wall that surrounds the entire cell. This wall is made of cellulose, a strong material that provides support and structure, preventing the cell from bursting if too much water enters. Another key feature is the permanent vacuole, a large sac that takes up much of the cell's space and contains cell sap, a mixture of sugar, salt, and water that the cell can use as needed. Lastly, plant cells have chloroplasts, the site of photosynthesis, where sunlight is used to produce sugars for growth. Chloroplasts contain chlorophyll, a green pigment that absorbs sunlight, which is why plant leaves appear green. In summary, we've completed our comparison of plant and animal cells, highlighting both their similarities and key differences. To conclude, refer to this diagram, which illustrates the structures they share and the additional components unique to plant cells.